Over 14,000 neighbors live in fear of becoming sick or injured and having to make a choice between putting food on the table or seeking medical care. The free medical clinic tries to take that fear away.
Bringing the healthcare, primary care out to our rural communities. I've had patients tell me that if it wasn't for us, they wouldn't be able to have any kind of health care. So us being able to go into these areas and provide that on-site care to these patients that can also come back week to week if they need for follow-up primary care, it is life-changing. It means a world of difference between actually life and death for them, because otherwise they couldn't get their conditions treated. They wouldn't even know they have some conditions because some of them haven't been to the doctor in years. I had a guy a couple of weeks ago who hadn't been to the doctor since he was in high school, and he was in his 30s. And he had lots of underlying conditions that he didn't know about, and if it hadn't been for us, he still wouldn't know, and he wouldn't be able to get the medication that he needed to be able to continue a healthy life.
Been a great help and helped me out a whole lot with my diabetes and other issues I've got going on. They don't make enough money to insurance.
If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be able to go to the doctor. I couldn't afford it. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have my medicine that I've got to have after having a heart attack and my breathing too. So I need y'all very badly, and the whole community does. There's a lot of people that cannot afford to go to the doctor. If y'all close today, I'd end up not having my medication, and my understanding I've got to have it. So without y'all, I probably wouldn't be around much longer. Too many people need to go to the doctor that can't afford to.
I think that this helps the community tremendously, because with people that ain't got health insurance and everything like that, it helps them, you know. And the free medical clinic is just an awesome place to be.
And y'all go far and beyond to help patients from around the community. I don't know what people would do. They'd be without. I mean, you can't go in and pay $200 and $300 a visit somewhere to see a doctor and be able to go and buy your meds.
Here in our outlying rural communities, we have a large Hep C population, and that is because there's not a whole lot for people to do, and a lot of what they do find to do is drugs, and unfortunately they end up doing IV drugs so that we can get them into our program that we have that treats that Hep C. Otherwise they wouldn't have access to that, and they would continue to live with Hep C, which could be very debilitating for them as they age and grow older. Lots of our people that do have Hep C are younger. They're 30 and younger, but we have seen lots of older people that are 50 plus that do have Hep C and need treatment for that.
This clinic means the world to me, because I wouldn't have my service medicine or a doctor to go to if it weren't for this free medical clinic.